What we learn today? Some animals' names and their qualities. Friends, every animal needs some water in summer season. Also birds, they are very thirsty. They are looking for water. Please give some water there, okay? Hey, don't forget this. Cat, this is a cat. C for cat. And what says the cat? Friends, you know the cat eats rats. And he drinks milk. This is a dog. T for dog. And what does the dog? Boo boo! Boo boo!
What eats the dog?
Dog biscuits.
And
Drinks again milk. Friends, you know the dog protects our home. Cow. This is a cow. C for cow. And what says the cow? Friends, you know the cow eats the grass and uses milk. The milk is very strong our body. Are very strong. Every day take one glass of milk and drink. Horse. This is a horse. H for horse. Hey, the horse eats the grass. Hey friends, you know the horse carries the loads. Friends, you know the horse runs very fast. Sheep. This is a sheep. S for sheep. And what says the sheep? What is the sheep? Grass. Hey, you know the sheep gives us wool. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. And what says the goat? Hey, you know the goat eats the grass. And goat gives us milk. Donkey. This is a donkey. D for donkey. And donkey eats also grass.
and what says the donkey?
Hey friends, you know the donkeys also carry the loads. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. I for rabbit. And rabbit says kiku, 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 kiku. Hey, the rabbit eats the carrot and grass. Hey, the rabbit eats beautiful animal. Hen. This is a hen. H for hen. The hen says the hen eats the corn and nuts. And the hen gives us eggs. Every day eat one egg. An egg is so strong to our body. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. And what says the duck? Quack, 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 quack. And the ducks gives us eggs. Hence, every animal needs some water in summer season. Also birds, they are very thirsty. They are looking for water. Please give some water there, okay? Hey, don't forget this. Bye bye friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Coo!